My lovely student, let me ask you a question. How often do you say thank you in English? And more importantly, do you know the many ways native speakers show appreciation? Politely, naturally, and warmly. You see, expressing gratitude isn't just about using the same words over and over. It's about connecting with people, sounding genuine, and making others feel good, while also building your confidence in English. In this lesson, we're going to explore 10 beautiful and powerful ways to say thank you, and I'll show you how to use each one with real examples, friendly tone, and different situations. So whether you're thanking your friend, your teacher, or a stranger who held the door open, you'll know exactly what to say. Let's get started. 1. I really appreciate it. This phrase is a classic. Polite, sincere, and perfect in almost any situation. You use it when you want to show real gratitude, especially when someone has helped you in a meaningful way. For example, if your friend stayed late to help you finish a school project, you can say, "Thank you so much. I really appreciate it." Or if someone gave you clear directions when you were lost, just say, "I really appreciate it. That helped me a lot." Let me ask you something. Would you say this to your close friend after they passed you the salt at dinner? Not really, right? Because it sounds a little too formal for something that small. So remember, use this phrase when the help is more thoughtful or important. 2. Thanks a ton. This one is cheerful, friendly, and casual. Perfect for everyday conversations. It means thank you very much, but with more energy. If someone covers your shift at work or brings you coffee without you asking, just say with a big smile, "Thanks a ton." It makes you sound warm, upbeat, and grateful. You can even use it in messages or emails. For example, "Thanks a ton for the info." One smart tip: don't use this one in very formal situations like with your boss at a job interview. Keep it friendly, for people you know well or feel comfortable with. 3. That means a lot to me. Now this phrase adds a deep emotional touch. You're not just saying thank you, you're saying, "This really touched my heart." It's perfect when someone does something kind, thoughtful, or supportive. For example, if your teacher stays after class to help you, you can say, "Thanks so much. That means a lot to me." Or if a friend remembers your birthday when you were feeling down, tell them, "Your message really meant a lot to me." My lovely student, let me ask you, what's the difference between this and just saying thank you? Exactly. This one shows deeper feelings. Use it when you want to express more than basic politeness. 4. Much appreciated. This is a polite and slightly more formal way to say thank you, often used in professional emails or situations. Let's say your colleague sends you an important report early. You might say, "Got it. Much appreciated." or if someone opens a door for you while you're carrying groceries. Just give a polite nod and say, "Much appreciated." It's quick, simple, and very natural, especially when you want to sound respectful without going over the top. Be careful, though. Don't overuse it in emotional moments. It's not for birthday gifts or surprise parties. It's for simple gestures or work-related help. 5. You're the best. This phrase is playful, casual, and full of energy. It's like saying, "You did something awesome, and I love you for it." Use it when someone does something kind and unexpected, like your friend who brings your favorite snack or your coworker who fixes your computer problem super fast. "Oh, you're the best. Thank you." It's not formal, and it works best with people you know well. And guess what? This kind of appreciation builds friendships, because it sounds like you're giving them a little compliment too. 6. I'm grateful for your help. This one is more formal and deep, a great way to express serious appreciation. If someone helps you during a difficult time or gives you long-term support, this is the right phrase to use. "I'm truly grateful for your help during my interview preparation." It sounds calm, mature, and respectful. You can also use it in writing, like thank you letters or appreciation messages. "My lovely student, would you use this for someone who simply passed you a pen?" No. It's too strong for small things. Save it for bigger acts of kindness. 7. Thanks for going the extra mile? This is a special phrase. It shows appreciation for someone who did more than what was expected. Imagine your friend not only helped you clean your room, but also brought you food. Or your teacher not only explained the lesson, but gave you extra examples. That's what going the extra mile means. It's great for showing deep, thoughtful gratitude. You could say, "Thanks for going the extra mile. I didn't expect that, and it really helped." It makes people feel seen and valued for their effort. 8. That's very kind of you. Simple, sweet, and polite. This phrase works well in both formal and informal situations. It's a nice way to acknowledge someone's good-hearted action. For example, if someone gives you a compliment or offers to help carry your bag, just say, "That's very kind of you." It shows that you notice their good manners and feel thankful. Let me ask you, how would it feel if someone said that to you after you helped them? You'd feel warm and appreciated, right? So use it when someone shows kindness, even in small ways. 9. I can't thank you enough. This is powerful. It shows that your gratitude is so big, normal thank yous aren't enough. Use this when someone really makes a big difference in your life. Maybe a friend let you stay at their place when you had nowhere else to go. Maybe your teacher helped you get a scholarship. You'd say, "I can't thank you enough. You changed my life." It's sincere and emotional, so don't use it for small favors. This one belongs to the moments that really matter. 10. You made my day. This is one of the most positive ways to say thank you. It means that what the person did made you happy, maybe even turned a bad day into a good one. If someone gives you a surprise gift or sends a lovely message when you feel down, say, "Wow, you made my day." It's light, cheerful, and full of joy. You're not just thanking them, you're showing that their action had a real emotional impact on you. Try using this with a big smile. It works every time.